Alright. Alright.
You got it on?
Let's take out.
Do I press that or we got it on? Or?
Alright. Alright. Take this out. Lots of ginger here at the top. Oh, it's really in there. Loosen up some of the roots. I broke off some of the top. It's in there. I have to dig this out. It's really in there. Whole mass of roots in there. Push down around the edges. Kind of loosen it up. Almost like you'll slide off. Look at that, the ginger was even growing right there on the side. Oh, that's the easier way. Wow. All those roots, wow. Look at all those roots. That grew right into the pot. And now it's just breaking it apart because it's one big mass of roots. Alright. Yeah, there's the original ginger plant. And then it grew these extra little stalks and a lot bigger roots. Probably if I would have had a, looks like there's even got a flower or something there. Just break apart the roots. That's the original piece. There we go. Yeah, little pieces of ginger. Wow, there's a massive piece there. Wow. Jeez, look at the tap roots there. And the original piece. Grew well. You know, if I had a bigger container. Alright. I'll have to break that apart, clean that up. Alright. So far, here's a harvest of ginger. It's everything from, here's a little piece. There's the original pieces that it grew from. I'm surprised those are still in good shape. Alright. Now, there's another experiment here. It's the little bags of turmeric, which we tried. See how they look. I'm gonna wrap it this way. Ooh, they're a little bit deeper. Alright, so as an experiment, here's the turmeric. There we go, turmeric. Turmeric pieces. Yeah, there we go. It's kind of little, but it's still turmeric. Look at that. Turmeric. Lots of fresh turmeric there. There's some more. Look at that. You know, given the pot and just kind of us throwing it in there, and didn't do too bad. Take all the dirt off of this. You can see the root mass here. And all the little fingerlings of the turmeric. Wow. Wow. Okay, look at that. Look at how that turmeric grew like in a fan shape from the one plant there. Right? Same with here. So once it's sprouted, it, you know, makes all those roots. So there we go. All right. So there's that plant. Let's kind of get these out here. Don't step on them. So kind of a shallowish root system there. All right. Well, we got one more plant. That should be about the same, hopefully. You know, they always got good water. Wow, deeper. Yeah. All right. Now let's give these a shake. Lots of roots. Too bad the pot wasn't bigger. It could have spread out even more, but there's the turmeric. I'll have to get these and wash them off. Alright. One thing here. Alright, yeah. Lots of turmeric, so alright, we'll wash these off and see what they look like. Alright, turn on. Alright, so here's the ginger from the first bucket. Now let's open up these other ones here and see what else we have. Alright, there's a bucket back here. Alright. You know, are you having trouble? Alright, so here's the cleaned up ginger that we grew from a couple pieces, the ginger and turmeric. Those are the original little pieces that we put in. And then they turned into all of this. So that's not too bad ginger, and even the turmeric. Next year, if we have a bit bigger pot and a bigger area, it'd have a little bit more room to spread out and grow, and might be able to get some more. So we can probably replant a lot of these little guys, and they can turn into ginger plants next year, now that we know they grow and all that good stuff. So there we go.